Now that we have a working deployment, in this video I'm going to make further changes to it, and I'm going to show you what has been updated in the Kubernetes manifest files and how Gimlet updates the gitops repository. So let's make a few changes in the configuration, and as a best practice to set resource limits to each deployment, I'm going to set resource allocations and resource limits to this deployment. It's not too heavy, and NGINX is lightweight, so I'm just going to give it 100 millicores with a maximum of 200 millicores of CPU usage. And once I hit save, the Gimlet YAML file is updated, and when I redeploy my application, these settings are going to drive the Kubernetes manifest files, and the changes are going to be put into the gitops repository. So I hit save, I go back to my application view, and I have to redeploy the app since cloud native deployments are immutable. So I'm going to hit deploy staging. The changes are put into the gitops repo as we speak, and as it is synchronized to the cluster, we are going to see the old pod dying and the new one is coming up alive. Alright, so the deployment already happened, so this was very quick, and now I'm going to show you the changes to the manifest file that was made. As you can see, the changes I made are translated into the Kubernetes YAML file with the values I used, and I'm using customize to template my deployments. So this is basically a customize files in here, and the customize file is pointing to the new overlays which are for the resource requirements. Alright, so this was updating memory requirements. It doesn't have any visible change on my Kubernetes deployment in Gimlet, but let's make one more change just to see really the gitops template updates. Let's change the subdomain. Since I have a wildcard specified and pointing to test Laszlo Cloud, I'm just going to change this to demo app 1. And I save it and redeploy it. Then I'm going to see my ingress domain being updated to demo app 1. Now it's being rolled out. And here we are, it's demo app 1.test Laszlo Cloud. If I go to demo app 1, you can see that it's changed. The old URL doesn't work anymore. And if I look at the gitops update, you can see how this one character change is being updated in the gitops repo. So this was the second video of this series, and yeah, stay tuned for more.